Ever wondered how your favorite crunchy, cheesy snack is made? Today we're diving into the real industrial process behind the legendary Cheetos. From cornmeal to crunchy gold, watch closely. It all starts with one simple ingredient, corn. Specially selected kernels are ground into a fine cornmeal, the core ingredient of every single Cheeto. This cornmeal is stored in giant silos and kept dry until it's ready to be transformed into magic. Next, the cornmeal is mixed with water in large rotating vats. The goal? Achieve the perfect moisture content, just enough to make it pliable, but not sticky. This hydrated mix will soon face intense pressure. Literally. Here comes the fun part, extrusion. The moistened cornmeal is fed into an extruder, a high-pressure machine with a spinning screw. As the pressure builds and heat rises, the dough is forced through small holes at the die plate. The sudden release of pressure causes it to puff up instantly. That's the iconic Cheeto shape forming before your eyes. As the puffs exit the extruder, rotating blades cut them to the perfect size. From here they travel on conveyors into massive industrial dryers. Inside, hot air blows continuously, removing moisture and giving Cheetos that signature crunch. Believe it or not all Cheetos are baked. Many go through a deep frying process. Puffs are submerged in hot vegetable oil for just a few seconds. This locks in flavor and amps up the crunch. Don't blink, you might miss the golden transformation. Now for the iconic part, the cheese. Puffs move into tumbling drums where they're evenly coated, with a proprietary blend of powdered cheddar cheese, spices, and that bright orange coloring. This is where the real flavor magic happens. Before they reach your snack drawer, every Cheeto goes through a strict quality control process. Then, they're whisked away into automated packaging machines, sealed into bags, and boxed for shipping. From there, it's just a ride to your local store. And there you have it, the journey from humble cornmeal to crunchy, cheesy perfection. Next time you open a bag of Cheetos, you'll know just how much science, tech, and flavor goes into every bite.